spot in the dumb house.
Okay. All right. What are we singing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Something, something in the sky.
Ow!
I don't know, but I'm so cool.
Okay. Well, I think anything could probably beat that. So I'm just gonna sing the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to Ryan. It's Ryan's birthday today, so I'm singing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Fishy's so fat and ugly and a simp. Happy birthday to you. Did you like it?
No.
No, I'm really mad! Ah! Come here!
I'm
Where you at?
glad you'll never catch me.
Ah! Ah! Come here, Fishy!
Texas! No!
I'm gone too! Ah!
Not so tough now, are you?
Ah!
Yeah, I built me as an Among Us character.
Is that why he's so fat?
Yeah.
Oh, you still haven't lost the weight?
No.
Fishy, what are you doing, dude? Come on, man.
I don't know.
Like, why? It's not that hard, man. Just like, you know what? I'm gonna help you, Fishy. I'm gonna help you get skinny, all right? And I'm not even joking this time. Let's get the treadmill and let's start running on it. Part 2, baby. Let's go. All right, all right, come on, Fishy. Do those laps. Come on, Fishy. Come on. Put the work in. Put the work in. Burn those arms, Fishy. Burn those arms. All right, Fishy, just come down for me. Fishy, Fishy, no, man!
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This is how I live.
Okay, sending. Thank you for all the support. Okay. Well, thank you for watching the video, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will be trying to make longer videos from now on. And leave down in the comments if you want to see me stream or just record Shotgun Farmers or Among Us more, because I can do that if you guys want to. Also, drop a comment if you made it to the end of the video and like the video. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. It's been Fishy. Texans isn't here, so yeah. But it's been Fishy. Later, guys.